How good are you networking your business? We'll talk about it next. Hello, everybody. My name is John Dornoff, and it's on a better life for you, your career, and your business. We're here to help you live a better life. Today, we're talking about networking. Now, when you're looking for a job or trying to improve your career, people talk about networking. But guess what? You need to network your business just as much. This is find new clients, maybe find new suppliers, find people you can cooperate with. There's a whole host of reasons why you want to network your business. I know you're busy. You don't have time for networking. I mean, who's going to do this and who's going to do that? But you got to do it all. I know it's not easy, especially if you're a sole proprietor or running a really small business. But you want to grow. You want to have a great business. So here's some suggestions. Learn from others. One of the reasons why you want to network is to learn from others. There's so many people out there that can teach you lessons of what they've done in the past. A person might have gone through the same thing you're going through or started just where you've started. So make sure you're paying attention, you're learning from those people. They even may have, contacts. You can also learn trends this way. What are the current trends in the industry? And where is the industry going? There is so much, happening these days. I mean, trends are changing, there's constant changes. And of course, the current virus is changing everything right now. But once things are back to normal, you'll want to know what those trends are. Some things may change forever. We don't know. But that way, by networking, you'll learn what is happening and keep track. There's some organizations that I network with that are doing online, using Zoom for online networking. For those of you who don't know what Zoom is, it's getting a lot of attention right now. It is basically video conferencing software, or online video software. It's had some issues with security. We won't go there, but remember, they're using alternatives right now, and so there's ways to learn. Then you can meet the right people that you may need to be able to cooperate with. Say your business makes widgets not one type of widget, and this business makes another different type of widget. You don't compete in the same marketplace. Maybe you guys could work together to sell your widgets together, or you find markets together. Don't know. But the only way you're going to find people to cooperate with, is to network. So where can you go to network? Well, one way is for conferences and trade shows. Now, we'll talk more about these because they're specific on trade shows and conferences you attend, and others that you may want to display at or advertise, promote at. So we'll talk about that in, future videos. There's alumni associations. If you still live in the city you graduated from college with, there may be alumni associations, that you can meet others and network that way. SCORE, which is, through the Small Business Administration. There's also ways to network with those, there. Some organizations have retreats and that kind of thing. Great opportunity to meet and network with people in a relaxing environment. An organization I'm very supportive of is Toastmasters. Now, for those of you who don't know what Toastmasters is, most people think of it as like a speech club where you learn how to public speak better, which is what it is. It's also leadership. However, I've made a lot of contacts with business through Toastmasters. There's lots of opportunities there. Not only are you improving your skills, but you're meeting people. So perfect opportunity for you to help yourself. and get to know. Civic organizations, of course. You know, think of all the, there's a lot of organizations out there. I mean, some of them have kind of faded in the last few years, while others are going strong. Um, the main thing you want to know is who are the people that are attending, and are these the right people I need to be meeting? Um, I mean, for years, Kiwanis Club, Optimus Club, Lions Club, you name it, all these civic organizations. Which one's the right one for you? Only you can determine that. And this goes for Toastmasters too, is go to meetings and find, before deciding and signing up for anybody, decide which one's best for you. If you have multiple Toastmasters organizations, branches in your area, go to a couple of them because they're all different. Some of them may be good for you, some of them you don't like as much, and maybe you're not comfortable there, but you're comfortable in another one. So think about that. Visit them and go with the ones that feel right for you. Another great opportunity to meet people is through volunteer efforts. A lot of contacts are made when you volunteer because they see that you care about the community, you care about a cause, and they want to get together and meet you and know you. And, there's so many opportunities to meet people that way. Now, I've gone through a whole host. There's probably others I have not even thought about. But you need to network. The best way to build your business, to make it better, to help your sales, is to network. So, I hope this has been helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.